That's that plane coming up there. It's big. God, it looks like it might be that 747 I thought I'd missed and it didn't take off. It's supposed to take off at 4:50. Yeah, man, Peterbilt. Man, I think it is. Fuck, it is. It was delayed. Holy shit. Me who just missed the fucking Royal Air Maroc 747 landing, man. Jesus, I was running to this place right here. I just got to the underpass and, you know, there it was. Oh, wow. Fuck, I gotta go get closer to that, man. I don't believe it. God, the timing. Me who thought I had missed this plane. I was at the other runway, you know. Awesome. Here I am standing in fucking tall grass with no long pants on. Jesus, I hope I don't get Lyme disease. Yeah, I think I'm eventually gonna have to get a higher zoom lens, that's for sure. Go, baby, go! Oh, where is he? Where is he? I can't even see him. There he is. Cool. Nice. There he is. Cool. Right on, right on.